So looking at number 9 on homework 8, the idea is to use synthetic division 3 times with the triple root. And then we'll go synthetic division with this, and then with this, because we know this one here is the positive version of that number. So let's do that, and then we can find the two imaginary roots. So I went ahead and I did the synthetic division for the triple root, which was 888. And here's what I'm left with. And now let me go ahead and go synthetic with the positive square root of 7. The order of these doesn't matter at all, but I felt like doing the easy ones first, and then we'll save the crazy ones for here, the last. And let's see, here is what we get there. This will be 5 square root 7, and it's just 5 square root 7. And when you multiply these on a calculator, that's going to be 7 times 5, which is 35. And as expected, the remainder was 0. And now finally, we can use the conjugate, negative square root 7, so we'll drop the 1, multiply those, that's negative square root 7, 0, 0, 5, 5 square root 7, but that's negative. And of course, the remainder is 0. And what we can now do is we can build our polynomial. That's the remainder. This is the constant, and this is x and x squared. So the equation that comes to life from this is this equation here. And maybe what we can do is we can move the 5 over to the other side. This tells us that x equals plus or minus the square root of that number. And so here we have the two missing imaginary roots.